Hello, friends. It's time
Are they
for.
really your friends? Or
Shut up, Em.
friend.
Shut up, woman. Shut up, everybody. It's time for spicy onions.
bother you?
Yeah.
Is that what they're called?
We have some
Spicy
sweet
onions?
Vidalia. Well, they're hot onions. They're sweet onions. You can put on hot dogs and stuff like that. But they're really good. It's a pretty simple recipe. I got 4 Vidalia onions right here, which I have skinned for the most part. What I like to do is cut the. Oh man, this one kind of crappy. No, it's okay. We're gonna cut off the
You are not on
both
your
sides
game today.
of this. I'm good. We're going to take the onion and do meal. And then how I like to have them is, you can cut them any way you want, but I like doing it like on the radius here. So like that, on the radius. That.
You fancy.
Not too small, not too big, just right. Like the porridge.
I
There
was
we
just
go.
gonna say, this one is too hot.
So right
This
there.
one is too
Cut up like
cold.
that. Yeah. Pop them in your bowl. This is all gonna get cooked down and nice and soft and everything. So I'm gonna cut up all these onions and this bit of garlic. I'll finish this onion here. And I'll come back to the mixing of the ingredients. It's a pretty simple recipe.
It's supposed to be a simple barbecue, and I don't know how it turned into.
It is simple. Everything's
Try
simple.
not to do anything.
Everything's simple. I'm having a barbecue. I need my hot onions. Hot, sweet onions. Boom.
Will you have
boom.
enough for the whole summer?
And, oh yeah, this will make several, probably a quart or two. I'll chop up the garlic in a minute. Em, go away. Go away, Em. Out. I'm playing with a knife here. This is just creepy. I'm gonna cut your hand. Oh God.
It's alright, we live next to a hospital.
Em is, that's true. Em is hanging out, and I live next to a hospital. Good thing, 'cause she's gonna need it. All right.
I work there. I got them by myself, bitches.
Alrighty. I'm gonna keep cutting this. So I'll come back in a sec. Let me cut all the onions up, and then I'll show you how to mix. See you in a momentarily. Alright, after a nice tearing up session, I've cut up all the onions into this bowl. There's 4 of them. I chopped up about, I don't know, whatever, how many cloves of garlic were over there before. 10? I don't know. Pop that in there. And then we're going to yoink. Now, here's what we're doing. My hands are already dirty, I guess. Yeah, I don't want to get them any ketchupy though. So the ingredient here that makes these awesome, it's pretty simple. It's ketchup, but good ketchup, not crappy ketchup.
What does that mean?
Well, Heinz 57, not like Hunt's or store brand. That's what that means. Stick to the big brands. I don't care if it's not natural or whatever. That's what ketchup is.
Well,
Heinz.
I mean, to me, there is no other brand besides Heinz. So when you say good ketchup, my mind.
And actually, more importantly, great mustard. Boar's Head deli style mustard. This is the best mustard. I'm also going to cut in a little beer and brought horseradish mustard for heat this year. And I'm going to put a little habanero Tabasco. This might get pretty freaking spicy.
Your sister is going to kill you.
Yeah, she's going to kill me. So, just basically
I don't think so.
put it in. I'm probably going to kill this whole bottle of ketchup. It's going to be the base of your sauce. But it sounds just disgusting.
That's what you sound like when you come home from work.
Thanks, hon.
Every day when I'm like, hey,
All
can
right.
you help in the kitchen?
Alright,
His
cool.
first words are,
Now we're going to do the... there we go. A good squeeze of this. I'm not going to go too crazy. This is great. And a few squeezes of the beer and brat. This is going to add some heat. It's a good mustard.
that is
That's
not
enough.
a few squeezes.
It was a few, sort of. And then we're going to take our... Actually, you know what? We'll do the... no. We'll do a few squeezes, not a few shakes. This is pretty hot stuff. Because you want it to be a little hot. There's that. I'm going to mix it all together. Hun, can you get me the black pepper and the salt, please? This smells spicy.
Very cool.
Yes,
My
very.
eyes are burning.
Let me get the... Come on this side. Bless
Bless
you.
you.
Give me the salt first. Open the salt. Might want to...
What are you doing?
Well, put your arm in and step back. Thanks, hon.
I didn't know if you wanted me to do it for you.
I'm gonna put a good few pinches of salt.
That smells really good.
Yeah, I know. It happens.
Can I need to be making extra?
Well, there's gonna be a lot here. Don't worry. There's that, and then you can squeeze in the pepper, please.
Back it up. Oh, shoot.
All right, squeeze it on good.
Oh my god. My eyes.
Squeeze it good. Squeeze it! All right. Squeeze. I think that's good. Okay. Plenty of flavor for now. So,
God, I'm blind.
I mean, you taste this as you go. Like, we're gonna start cooking these down now, like this, and as you know, when they're starting to get soft, you can taste it and see what it tastes like. It's also gonna get one little surprise addition while in the midst of cooking. So what we'll do is, Hun. Nothing. Just want to call your name. Nothing. All right. I'm gonna put the heat on this. On high. Continue mixing. There we go. This may need more ketchup. We'll see. That'll balance. That'll give you more sweetness if we went a little overboard on the heat. I don't know if we did or not, but we'll see. That is black pepper in there, right? That you got? Yeah, it's black pepper.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add a touch of oil, even though this is probably not necessary.
Is it on?
Yeah. Got on high. Let that get hot.
Oh, wait. Are you not gonna put on the egg?
Not while I'm recording, because then it's loud. Everything's loud. All the fans.
Should I put this properly in the microwave?
In a moment. So we're gonna. I think this is gonna be good. Probably could have cut another onion up. That's all right. I can always make this again.
Should we try this thing?
There we go. I think we're getting hot now. We're going to add our onions to the pan. To El Pan. There we go. Yes. Scrape out all the goodness in here.
Oh my god, this dressing is phenomenal.
Thanks. Okay.
Try it.
Not now.
Not you. Yeah.
Oh, is that what the same one that you got mixed with?
No.
Here. That's gotta be cleaned.
They made me special dressing. It's the soy balsamic.
Alright, so we're basically gonna cook this down.
With white vinegar. Yeah. Has a nice kick to
Yeah,
it.
we're good. I'm gonna lower the temperature to, well, lower it to like just high, not super high, and let this cook down. Once you see them starting to wilt a little, we can cover them. We'll add our extra ingredient. I'll come back for that. I'm just gonna let this go for a little bit uncovered. Let me go clean up a little. I'll be back in a few. All right, we've been cooking a few minutes and it's releasing a little bit of juice. Getting these going. We're gonna cover this in a moment, but first we need to add a little white wine. I like to add a little bit of just a splash. Add a little moisture to this. We'll boil it off later. Mix that around. Great. All right. Looking good. Now it's just a long game. Yeah, it smells good. We cover it, lower it to a nice medium-low simmer, and we leave it alone. I'm gonna check them in about, I don't know. No, I'm gonna count up, and we'll check in about 20 minutes. I'll give them a stir. All right, we'll be back when they're a little while. We're at the 20-minute mark, folks. We'll lower this down a little. Let's see. Oh, yes. These are looking good. Let's stir it around. Oh. Got a little stuck onto the bottom. That's okay. We can lower the heat a little. So there'd be enough juice so that wouldn't happen, but I guess not. All right. Oh, yes. That's not really stuck on. I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. Just may need a little more liquid. These are cooking away. They're softening up nice. It smells good. Yeah. I'm going to taste this in a little bit. So you want these to cook and get really soft. Actually, that's not true. I mean, you can have them however you like. If you like a little bite to your onions. Let's see. So this looks good. Let's try an onion. See where we're at. Good. Not spicy. Can definitely use a little more spice. Alright. We need to add more flavor. Here, hon, taste this.
I can't.
Thanks.
Ask Michelle.
M. It's just M. It's not. We don't use real names here. Where's M?
I didn't know you were recording.
All right, taste this. The heat's in the back. I'm gonna put it on the cutting board. The heat's in the back end. I think it needs a little more of everything.
I have to get a little fork to piss you off.
You're a bitch.
I try.
Num num num.
Cook a little longer.
Well, they're not done
Definitely
yet.
in the back end.
Yeah.
But it needs something.
Yeah, a little more salt, and it needs
Salt,
more.
definitely salt.
And I'm gonna put a little more ketchup and mustard on it. Actually, it just needs a little more flavor. So we're gonna salt a little more on this. Can you? Yeah. Should I? Do we don't need more heat, or maybe a little more heat? All right. So hand me in there. There's a ketchup in there, and give me the boar's head mustard on the door there. The boar's head should be in the back, hanging up.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do a little more
I'll
mustard.
fucking cut you, motherfucker.
I am. She's just a. She's a treat. A
I'm
treat.
a treat. I speak it like I sees it.
Yeah, and some more ketchup. Thanks. More ketchup.
Pretty. Thank you. I need to get back.
Yep. And I salted it. Good. I'm gonna add this.
I used to just have
And we might need a little more liquid in here just to keep this from burning on the bottom. I don't know if we need more wine per se, but I guess I can just stick with the wine. Oh yes. I tell you, these are delicious. They're great on everything, but especially hot dogs. The onions are probably going to take another 20 minutes or so, but I have it on a lower heat now. I'm going to drop more liquid. One drop. Move it, potato salad. Here we go. Touch more liquid. Boom. Done. Damn it, fit this back in so it stands up neatly. I'm out of room. Too many condiments. Alright. Yeah, the heat's definitely there. It's not super hot or anything, but it's, again, if you want this super spicy, you can just add as much hot sauce as you like. Which, I think that could use a touch more hot sauce, actually. Just a touch. Don't tell him. You could also use any hot sauce you like, obviously. I like Tabasco. It's pretty standard. Good hot sauce. Alright. We mix this around. I guess I could taste another one. There's the heat. Alright. Close that. It's on lower, a little bit lower heat. Maybe I'll just get it up going real quick. Get it high, get some bubbles in there. And then we'll be back in, I guess, another, 20 minutes. I think 20 minutes will do it, and we'll check in on it. See you in a minute. Alright, it's been like another 20 minutes, pretty much, and these are, I think, are going to be done. If we look at this, nice amount of liquid. I could let this reduce a little if I wanted a little less liquid, but I want to keep liquid. It's good. Yeah, nothing stuck on the bottom. We'll grab an onion and taste. We had seasoned it up a little extra last time, a little while ago. Wow. Done. That went down the wrong pipe. Wow.
You failed.
Yeah. It's really good though. I just can't breathe. Anywho, we're done.
He choked a bit.
I'm just choking right now.
It's fine.
Oh my god. Okay. There we go. Now I'm back to normal. Wow, that was just, don't do that. Don't go down the wrong pipe. One more time, because it really is good. Yep. I'm done. Alright. So, there you have it. Pretty quick, relatively speaking. Simple, easy recipe for sweet, hot onions. We're going to take this off the heat. We're going to let it cool. Then I'm going to put in containers, put it in the fridge, and serve with your whatever the hell you want to serve it with. I like it on hot dogs. You can put it on a freaking sandwich. You put it on your burger, which is really good. Don't ever buy those crappy, like, onions.
They're not good,
Yeah, none of them are good. Like sweet or hot onions, however they call it. So there you have it. Check out Z Cooks Consortium. Check out the Patreon. Support us if you like what you see. Check us out on YouTube. It's all good stuff. And more to come. Links. There. Bye, M. Gonna wave to M. Wave to M. Bye, woman. She's gone. Alright. Till next time. See ya.